Hello, this is Ivy. Welcome to my channel. This evening I want to make pizza. I have my 2 cups of flour and I have my salt, I have my yeast, and I have a little bit warm water with olive oil. So let's start. I'm adding my salt. I've added my salt in the water. Then I've added my yeast. After I've finished mixing my salt with oil and water, my warm water, I'm adding my water with the flour, not all of it. I have to mix it. So after finishing mixing your flour and oil and water, you have to leave it there for maybe 20 minutes. So I'm adding a little bit oil here, so that when you want to remove it, if you want to remove it, you can remove it nicely. Yeah, then I will cover it and leave it in the warm place. I can put it into my oven. Yeah. So after covering it for 20 minutes, yeah, this is how the pizza will be. So I have to remove all the air inside, from inside. Remove it from inside. Then here. So after then, I have to divide it into 2. I need only 2. So I have to roll it so that it will be very light. After everything, I've added my tomato ketchup. I don't like it plenty. I've added my tomato ketchup. So I normally use Thunnfish to make my pizza. So I'm adding Thunnfish. So adding my onions and my tomatoes. I'm adding my cheese on it. After finishing everything, I'm adding a little bit spice on it. Then I will put it into the oven right now. So put everything into the oven. After finishing everything, so our pizza is ready. I have to cut it. Pizza is ready. So our pizza is finished. Yeah, thank you very, very much. My name is Ivy. Please subscribe, like, and share, and please leave the comment in the comment section. Very, very soft. Pizza is finished. Thank you very much. Bye bye.